Today, we are going to talk about databases. A database is an organized collection of related data. It helps us store, manage, and retrieve information efficiently. Think of it as a digital filing system. A database typically consists of tables, which are like spreadsheets. Each table contains rows and columns. The rows are records, and the columns are fields. This structure allows for efficient data organization and querying. Databases are used in various fields. For instance, in businesses, they store customer information, track inventory, and manage financial records. Can you think of other areas where databases might be useful?
Maybe in hospitals for patient records.
Exactly. Databases are crucial in healthcare for maintaining patient records, managing appointments, and tracking treatments. They are also used in research, e-commerce, and social media. Now, let's talk about a specific type of database management system, Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite and is known for being user-friendly. It integrates well with other Microsoft applications like Excel and Word. This makes it easier to import and export data.
Microsoft Access allows users to create databases from scratch or use built-in templates. It uses a graphical interface to design tables, queries, forms, and reports, which simplifies database management.
One of the key features of Access is its user-friendly interface. It also provides templates for tasks like inventory management and project tracking. This can save a lot of time. Additionally, Access supports automation through macros and Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA. This helps automate repetitive tasks.
How do we start using Microsoft Access?
To start Access, click on the Start menu, find Access, and open it. You can choose to create a new database from scratch or use one of the templates provided. Templates can be a great starting point if you're new to database design. Once you've created your database, you can add tables. For example, in a student database, you might have a table for students, another for courses, and one for enrollments. You define the fields, like student names, course titles, and enrollment dates. Saving your database is crucial. In Access, you can save your database by clicking Save As in the File menu, choosing a location, and giving it a name. You can also simply press Ctrl+S to save any changes. Understanding the basics of databases and tools like Microsoft Access is essential. It helps manage data efficiently, which is valuable in almost every field today. In the next class, we will learn more about how to use Access.